How to find Zoom settings on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Zoom settings on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and now just click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it just click this one here, Zoom, and then click just manage it and then click OK here, and it will be saved. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to find Zoom settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.